Okay, so for this project I'm going to show you how to make a granny square, this diamond granny square, and I used two colors of yarn, that is pink and orange, and I have my scrap yarn here, but of course you can go with any color you want. And let's begin. So let's begin by making a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 4, 2, 3, and we are going to find our first chain, yeah, and make a slip stitch in this first chain, yeah, like that, to close up and make a circle. And then we are going to chain 3, 2, 3, and then we are going to find our circle in the middle of our circle, and then we're going to put a half double crochet there. So that is 1 half double crochet, and then 2. So we need 3 double crochets, and our first chain here is going to count as a stitch. So those are 3 half double crochets, sorry. Now we are going to chain 3, yeah. For we are going to try to, this chain is going to make the first corner, this first corner. So we are going to chain 3 and then go back into that same space, our tiny hole that we made, and then we're going to go back and make a half double crochet, and then so we're going to put 3 half double crochets in this circle next, and then we're going to chain again 3. So this pattern is, this first round is we're trying to form the corners of our granny square. I'm going to meet you at the end of this and show you the next step. So now I'm at the end, and we are going to make our last corner, chain 3, and then we are going to find our very first chain that we did, and then we count 1, 2, 3. That is putting a slip stitch on the top of that first chain that we did, yeah. So like that, and then slip stitching. So now we have our mini corner, our mini square, sorry. See that is 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and then we're going to find this yarn and pull tight so that we can close up on the circle, yeah. So now the next round is chain 3. Again, this chain 3 is going to work as our first half double crochet. Then we are going to go in this space, put 1 half double crochet, 2, and then 3. So we're going to chain 3 again, go back into that same space, and then put another set of 3 half double crochets, yeah. That is 2 and then 3. So for the next step, you're going to chain 1 and then jump onto the next corner, the next hole that we have here, and then put 2, 3, just repeating what we did here, chain 3, and then 1, 2, and then 3. So chain 1. So what we're going to do we are going to do what we have been doing here for this last 2 holes, and I'm going to meet you here, okay, at the end of our last corner here, and we're going to do it a little bit different. So I've already put my first 3 set of half double crochet. Now we are going to chain 3 to form the 4th corner, and then we are going to put 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochet. Now since we already have the the 3 chain here, so we're only going to put 2 half double crochet and then join on this chain with a slip stitch that is on top of the chain. 1 2 3 with a slip stitch, and then we have 3 half double crochets in that corner. So now for the next round, it's going to be a little bit different because this is where we're going to bring in our orange yarn. So we're going to chain 3, put 1 half double crochet, and then put the second half double crochet. Now we're not going to chain 1, so instead we're going to bring in our orange, and then we're going to chain 1 with the orange yarn. Okay, so we are going to chain 1 with the orange yarn, and it's already attached. So pull on the pink yarn to make it tight, and then we're going to work along this orange yarn. Yeah, we're not leaving it behind. So again, go in the next corner, put a half double crochet, and put your 3 first set of double crochet, make a corner, yeah. So again, this is where it changes. We pick our pink yarn, and then we are going to make a chain with the pink yarn. Again, not forgetting the orange yarn behind. We have to work on top of it so that we could be able to get it later on. So we're going to jump into our chain 1 space here, and then we are going to put a set of half double crochet. Yeah, that is 3 half double crochet in this chain space. Now don't mind about this, we are going to fix this in the next round. Yeah, so, and then we're going to change the yarn, and then we're going to chain 1 with our orange yarn, and then hop onto the next corner and put our corner here. Yeah, so again, we are at the end of our corner where we chain with the other color of yarn, that is our pink yarn, and then we put a set of our half double crochet in the chain space, again not leaving the orange yarn behind. Yeah, so have a half double crochet there. Yeah, and then we drop the pink yarn and then pick up the orange yarn and make our chain stitch, and then working over our pink yarn, we go to the next corner and put our corner there. So now I'm at our last corner here, and I'm going to chain 3, yeah, and then go back into the same space and put another set of 3 half double crochets, forming our corner. Yeah, and then I'm going to chain 1. Now this same round we are leaving the pink yarn behind because we're done with it. So now I'm going to 1 2 3 on top of our chain. Yeah, and then we join the round, yeah, with a slip stitch. So now we're going to chain 3, yeah, and then we go in the next chain 1 space, and then we're going to put a half double crochet there, yeah, and then chain 1, and then we're going to put our first corner here, yeah, and then we're going to chain 1, go in our first chain space, put a 3 set of half double crochets, chain 1, go in our next. Now you see where I told you that we were going to fix this. So when we are crocheting in the first chain stitch, we have to make sure that we crochet over all of these tops, yeah, all of these yarns, yeah, like that. You see how that closes them inside, yeah, 2 and then 3, so they're nowhere to be seen, no? And then chain 1 and then make a corner, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet all around my square, and then I'm going to meet you back at the end. I'm at the end of our corner, our last corner. Sorry, we're going to chain 1 and hop onto the next corner and put our last corner there. And then 3, okay, and then this is our last chain 1 space. So we are going to put, remember we already have a stitch there, that is our chain stitch. So we are going to put 2 half double crochets in this last space, and then we're going to 1 2 3 on top of the chain and put a slip stitch. Remember, when you're putting in this top chain, you make sure that you grab 2 strands and leave 1 strand behind to make it more secure. So now we're going to fasten off with a slip stitch and then chain 1 to tie our work, and our grind square is all done. So what we are left to do is to weave in the ends, yeah, and then our granny square is done. So you can go with any colors you want, color combinations that you want. You can make them as many as you want. You can make a blanket out of this, yeah, a baby blanket, yeah. These are so cute, especially if you choose the beautiful colors that you want, yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'll be seeing you. Until then, cheers.